Stop by and take a look at the 2021 Versa. With its roomy and inviting interior, impressive technology, and exceptional gas mileage, the Nissan Versa is smart to own and fun to drive. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, daytime running lights, wheel covers, remote trunk release, front disc rear drum brakes, front wheel drive, steel wheels, tires front all season, tires rear all season, brake assist. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.